Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tricky World. In today's video we will be looking at one of the function of Power BI DAX, which is select columns. So select column is a DAX function which we use in order to create a new table, with new calculated table. So let's get started. On the screen we have already one data import, we have one table report, and we have 6 columns within this report. So now let's see, I don't want entire data, I want some specific columns to be get exported out of this table to a new table which we further need in order to create some complex calculation in data model. So for that purpose we can create a new table here. We can click on new table and let's say random name I will give SC, which is a select columns. First syntax would be, first part would be selecting table. So we have only one table, which is a report. I can type it out. Name, randomly name I can give, let's say field 1. Okay, expression I can simply select region. Then name 2, maybe I can put here units value, and I can select the column units. So 2 columns I have selected and 2 names I have given for respective columns. I can close the bracket. So if we will see, we have the same value. We have first column with the field 1, which is the report region. Second column we have units value with the units. So it has fetched as it is all the data from old table to this new calculated table. There are total 43 rows, as we can see here, and if we go back to previous original reports, here as well we have 43 rows. So this is the applicability of select columns, how we can use this particular function in order to create new table. So thanks for watching Tricky World.